Hi guys, so today's walk we are...
Welcome to the welcome.
Okay, start then.
No, keep going. Where's the welcome? Don't worry about coming to the video. It's alright, no problem.
I don't care about you. Right, okay, ready? Okay, put down. Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a walk at Dovestones and we are going to walk to the Trinicle. On today's adventure is Grovelly. And we do have Dean somewhere, but he's gone for a wee.
Let's not see that bit, but let's carry on and see where we see.
And off we go.
And if you see it, say it. So we're doing this walk anti-clockwise, and wow, it's a long slog up the hill, absolutely mental. But we're almost at the top. Oh yes. A bit haily. So as Julie tells me, that is called the Trinicles. And what a place this is, you're high up. Right, now we're basically on the way back down towards the car. Light has been lost, so let's go. So yet again we have completed another walk. Not quite. Car's just the other side of that dam. But this walk I really recommend, it's really nice. It gets a bit boggy, so you definitely need your boots. But bring your camera because there's a lot to take pictures of views of Manchester and all the surrounding areas. It is glorious. But for now, say goodbye, Dean.
Ciao.
Say goodbye, Julie.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we will see you in the next one.